Hello and good day, everyone. For today, I'm going to talk about one of the species in the family Dermochelyidae. The family Dermochelyidae contains a single species, Dermochelys coriacea. It occurs in ocean worldwide, and it has physiological adaptations that prevent the loss of body heat, allowing it to establish a range more poleward than the other sea turtles. Taxonomic classification. Kingdom is Animalia, class is Reptilia, order is Testudines, family is Dermochelyidae, genus is Dermochelys, scientific name is Dermochelys coriacea, and common name is leatherback sea turtle. Brief description. The leatherback sea turtle, sometimes called the lute turtle or leathery turtle or simply the lute, and it is the largest of all living turtles and the heaviest non-crocodilian reptile, reaching lengths of up to 2 meters and weights of 600 kilograms. And it is the only living species in the genus Dermochelys and family Dermochelyidae, and it can easily be differentiated from other modern sea turtles by its lack of a bony shell. Instead, its carapace is covered by oily flesh and flexible, leather-like skin for which it is named. Characteristics. Head has a deeply notched upper jaw with two scopes. The leatherback is the only sea turtle that lacks a hard shell. And its carapace is large, elongated, and flexible with 7 distinct ridges running the length of the animal. Composed of a layer of thin, tough, rubber skin strengthened by thousands of tiny bone plates, and the carapace does not have scales except in hatchlings. All flippers are without claws, and the carapace is dark gray or black with white or pale spots, while the plastron is whitish to black and marked by 5 ridges, and hatchlings have white blotches on carapace. Distribution. The leatherback turtle is a species with a cosmopolitan global range. Of all the extant sea turtle species, Dermochelys coriacea has the widest distribution, reaching as far north as Alaska and Norway and as far south as Cape Agulhas in Africa and the southernmost tip of New Zealand. Habitat. It is primarily found in the open ocean, as far north as Alaska and as far south as the southern tip of Africa, though recent satellite tracking research indicates that leatherbacks feed in areas just offshore, known to be active in water below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and the only reptile known to remain active at such a low temperature. Status. In the U.S., it is listed as endangered in 1970 under the U.S. Endangered Species Conservation Act, the predecessor to the U.S. Endangered Species Act, which was established in 1973. In international, it is listed as vulnerable in 2013 by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. The greatest threat to leatherback sea turtles is from incidental take in commercial fisheries and marine pollution, and its population estimate between 34,000 and 36,000 nesting females. We all know the turtle is known to be of cultural significance to tribes all over the world. The Seri people from the Mexican state of Sonora find the leatherback sea turtle culturally significant because it is one of their 5 main creators. The Seri people devote ceremonies and fiestas to the turtle when one is caught and then released back into the environment. The Seri people have noticed the drastic decline in turtle populations over the years and created a conservation movement to help this. The group, made up of both youth and elders from the tribe, is called Grupo Tortuguero Kuma'ak. They use both traditional ecological knowledge and Western technology to help manage the turtle populations and protect the turtle's natural environment. And here are some photographs or illustration of the species Dermochelys coriacea. That's all, and thank you for listening.